Alright, this is Cairo with sand, this time with a bit more Cairo. I think on Earth, the Cairo is gonna probably fly around and mix with the sand, create a sticky solution, and then disperse against the walls.
What do you think it's gonna do, Christy?
I think the Cairo will stay there, but the sand will kind of mix and the Cairo and will like chomp up.
Okay. Well, let's see what it does when we spin it. What's it doing?
It seems to be creating that solution, and then it all evenly saturates around the petri dish.
Wow.
And then there's some that just stays.
Just stayed there, like you said. Yeah. What do y'all think that's what gonna do in 0G?
I think it's gonna float around.
What do you think, Christy?
It will float around, but the Cairo will stay there.
Okay. Let's take one more sample and let's do it real quick. One more of your choice. So off of the plate, there's all our samples.
Do some of the coloring thing.
Okay, the Cairo and food coloring?
Which
all right.
one?
I don't know, the one with a lot of colors in it.
4 different colors and Cairo.
Okay, so let's see what that one does.
Right.
Okay, so this is on Earth.
It's gonna mix together all bit. Whoa, it made a color wheel. So cool. All the colors seem to clump together and saturate to about 2/3 of the petri dish.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And where it's white, look at that. It's not there. That's the white bottom part of the petri dish.
Nice.
Pretty cool. All right.
On Earth, I think this Mars will spread to the backs and walls of the petri dish when spun, and in 0 gravity, I think it will just stay in place.
Okay, so let's see.
I think the clay spheres are gonna go around the thing on Earth, and on 0G, they're not gonna move.
Okay, go ahead. We moved the spheres over to the different turntable. This is a little more sturdier. Let's give it a spin again. So what do you see? Describe what you see is happening in there.
Just the purple spheres just staying where it is, and the other side on the long side.
Are any of them clumping together?
Yes.
Looks like some are stuck together on the side.
The larger spheres seem to be coming together.
The what?
The larger spheres seem to be coming together.
Okay, so what do y'all think that one's going to do when we put it in 0G? With no gravity and we spin it?
It's not gonna move.
You don't think it'll move?
No.
Okay. So here we have Cairo and 1 solid color of green food coloring. What do you think, Nathaniel?
I think the green food coloring and the Cairo will separate because they're well, actually they'll probably mix together, and but they'll still probably separate and gather against the walls.
Okay, what do you think, Magdalena?
I just think it's gonna mix together.
Okay, well, let's see what this one does on Earth. Go ahead. Give it a little bit more of a push. Go ahead. So what's happening in it?
The Karo and the food coloring seem to be mixing, and then they spread evenly across the dish.
And it had a clump of dark on the side. So what is that going to do in 0G when we spin it like that and put it in 0G? What do y'all think?
I think they'll just float around.
Think they'll have any mixing at all?
No, they'll just